Hello everyone, welcome back on this one. T-Smart Business App is an e-commerce app, guys. T-Smart Business App is an e-commerce app and it has a lot of benefits. In this video, we're going to be looking into these benefits and also a way for you to maximize your money, to maximize your earnings in this platform. Now, whether you want to go into e-commerce or not, you can make money from this site. So this is the time for you to key into this and start getting something for yourself. Okay, now what you just have to do is to download the app in the Play Store through the link in the description of this video. The first thing I want to let you know, the first good news is that this doesn't require much hassles. You just have to click that very first link, download the app via Play Store, confirm your phone number here. You just have to confirm your phone number, and but before you do that, you are going to be required immediately after signing up, or while signing up, immediately you are done with registration process, you'll be asked to create a business. Just insert any business name. There will be a page around here. You'll be asked to create a business. So just create any business. Just create a business with any business name of your choice. Now, after doing that, you come here and tap on this, tap to verify your phone number. You just do that. Now, you copy your referral link and share to your friends. For each person you refer to this, you earn 450 naira for each single person you refer to this site, to this app. Anybody that registers with your link, you earn 450 naira. So you can even make up to 2,000 naira in a day. That is for people in Nigeria. You can earn up to 2,000 naira in a day. So when you click on more here, the last icon down below here, you come to this place and click on refer a friend. Now come to this place, click on it. Now go ahead and share your referral links in your WhatsApp, in your your social media softwares, whichever one that you're making use of. You go ahead and share your link there, and also copy your invitation code by tapping on this to copy your invitation code, and you go ahead and invite your friends. And for each single person that registers with your link, you earn 450 naira per person. Okay, I hope that is clear, guys. So now there are a lot of benefits in this. Let's quickly go to Play Store right now, guys. Here is Play Store. So let's quickly look at this app and search this app in Play Store. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to tap on it because I've already downloaded it. So I'm just going to click here, T-Smart Business App, T-Smart Business App. So right here, guys, this is the app. There are a lot of details I will be opening here for you to see. So clicking the very first one here, you see all-in-one resource for managing your business. So this is typically for managing your business, guys. Fast and easy to use. Track your inventory, income and expenditure, record sales, e-commerce, receipt printing, portable and POS printer, track and record debts, customer and employee management, works offline and online. Enjoy these and lots more. So if you click on the next, if you scroll towards the right, you see this page again. Manage your business and personal finances with T-Smart Business App. Okay, say goodbye to manual way of managing your business. So it's all about managing your business. Look at this again, and also helping you to maximize sales in your business. I know a lot of us do one business or the other, so you can use this to maximize your sales for your business. Get daily reports on your sales and expenses. Reports dashboard, get daily reports on your sales and expenses. And the next one, track your products. T-Smart Business App helps you track your products easily. Say goodbye to lost sales. Okay, e-commerce, connect your business online and sell products 3 times faster. Recover your debts 10 times faster. Track your customers and all your debtors easily on Timart business app. So this app is actually promising a lot. This app is actually promising a lot, guys. So if you look at the ratings here, the rating for this app is 4.9, guys. 4.9 ratings. That's quite reasonable, if I may say. 4.9 ratings, guys. The ratings is not bad. The rating is not bad at all. It's not bad. Look at it here. 4.9 ratings. Okay, so it's not bad at all. So that's quite reasonable. Almost 5 stars. Almost 5 stars. 4.9 stars. So this is actually a wonderful app from my own view, from my own understanding. So going back to this app, I'm outside the Play Store right now, guys. So on this second icon right here that says product, when you click on it, this is where you are asked to tap on manage below to add product. So this is the manage below to start adding your products and following the on-screen instructions. You have to tap here to manage your product. So when you click on sales here, let's see what this page for the sales is. Start, you have not made any sales today. Tap the button below to start making sales. Okay, so it's asking me to tap the button below to start making sales. Start adding sales. You tap here to start adding sales. Now on the one that says online, this shop is not on Timart e-commerce yet. So that means this is my business name here, Legit Kenny, and I have not added my product on this app. I created this account for the purpose of this video, and that is why it's telling me that this shop, that is my online shop, is not on Timart e-commerce yet. That is, I should start doing some things, and here it's asking me to activate online presence, so I can start managing my products here and adding my products on this site and connecting with customers and all that. Now the one that says more is where you get a lot of other features that you might need personally. Your profile, if you want to edit anything there, business settings, report section, stock adjustment, debt management, staff inflow and all that. Refer a friend to get your referral link, customer service if you want to contact their customer service. So I consider this a great app, but then you are free to make your own research. This is not something that you are even required to start, funding and paying some money to earn money from it. You can just make money by referring your friends and sharing the links to people for them to register. So, but then you are free to make your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and be it that even though that I'm making this video for you to make money freely without you spending anything, it doesn't stop me from giving my disclaimer. I shall not be responsible for whatever decision you take on this app or on the website. All right, leave your comments down below the comment section, guys, and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Subscription is free, subscription is just free. Subscribe so that you can easily get notified each and every single time I upload a video in this channel, so that you don't miss out on important updates like this very one. So guys, looking at the referral program, when you refer a friend, you're earning 450 naira. That means in a day you can even make up to 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira or even 5,000 in a day, depending on how you try to socialize with people and connect with people online. So you can make a lot of money from this. I would love to see you guys in the next video. I know you guys love this video. Like this video, guys, so that only you will not see this video, others can benefit from it. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, so that we can meet on the next one. See you guys.